Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use the online IDE for editing code or writing your own code. This is really useful if you have a school laptop or computer and you can't download the software you need. It's also universal, so you could log on to your account, any computer, and be able to retrieve your code. So what you're going to want to do is look up replit coding website. So basically these keywords just bring up the exact website we're looking for, which is https://replit.com. Once we get there, you're going to have the ability to sign up and log in, or you can just go ahead and press start coding and it's going to ask you to do that anyway. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. So once you're signed in, you can go ahead and create your new REPL. So in the languages, we're going to be using Java, of course, and then you can name it whatever you like. And so this is going to be Hello World. So we're going to go ahead and create the REPL. So you're going to have your class definition and you're going to have your method definition. So for different programs and such whatnot, you're going to need different names. So you're going to take this main and you're going to name it to what you want your program to be named. So for me, it's going to be Hello World. And then over here, you're going to go to main.java and you're going to click rename and call it Hello World. And Java is case sensitive, so you want to make sure that your capitals are exactly the same. So once we do that, press enter, it's going to reload. It's saving it and everything. So this is your console. This is where you can control your code and give the interactions it's requesting. So we're going to just do a real simple command, Java C. And what that's going to do is it's just going to compile the program. So you're also going to put hello world.java. So you're going to go compile Java C, hello world.java. And that's going to check for any errors, if there's any spelling errors or if there's any code errors. It should be just fine. Yep, there we are. And then we're going to go Java hello world. And so when we run it, it should just print out hello world. There it is. Perfect. So that means that your program is running with the name you defined it as. And so the next thing to do would be to either copy the link or save it. What you're going to do here is you're going to go to these three dots. And here we have the rename, we have open tab, we have copy link, download, and delete. So copy link is if your computer is not letting you download at all. You can copy the link and you can send it to the peer leaders at least. I'm not too sure about assignments. But for assignments, you're going to want to download the file. So once you download, it's going to go right into your bar. And then you're going to have this stored in your downloads. From there, it's in your files and you can do whatever you want with it. So that's pretty much the entirety of what you need to know about Replit. I hope this was helpful and happy coding.